With the steering knuckle replaced and the suspension all back together, now it's time to reassemble the brakes on the right front. Starting with installing the brake backing plate. Now use the lever trick to get the two brake shoes and the main brake return spring on. Install the retaining pins. Secondary retractor springs. Now load up the drum with wheel bearing grease. And likewise, the inner bearing, the bigger one, which just has to go into the drum before it goes on the spindle. And the inner grease seal. Did I back the adjusters off enough? Nope. With the drum installed, I supply the outer bearing with its reservoir of grease. Now grease the outer bearing itself, that's the smaller one. Now the outer bearing goes on. And the hardened washer that carries the bearing tension, the pinch nut that provides the bearing tension. Since I got the bearing tension too high the last time, I'm being super careful to get the bearing tension correct this time, so I do a lot of fiddling here. I'm checking the bearing tension by moving the washer with a screwdriver. I'd even bought a brand new pinch nut, and I was very pleased that I'd got it all dialed in and exactly right. Which was all for naught because the grease cap rubbed on the brand new, slightly bigger pinch nut. Brand new pinch nuts, and they stick out so far that they hit the inside of the grease cap. I might go so far as to say is to grind against the inside of the grease cap. So I took it off and installed the drum with the old one instead. Again, adjusting to get the tension just right. And the wheels are ready to go on.